Hello, this is Tony Tran, and this is my ECP2 project. Um, this is a pulse oximeter, and what it does is it displays your heartbeat. So here is the input. This input is made out of clothespin with an LED on one side and a phototransistor on the other side. And if you place your finger here, the LED light will shine through your finger, and then the phototransistor will pick up whatever light has gone through your finger and will determine your heartbeat based on the blood flow through your finger. So the input goes into this circuit right here with the main piece, the quad chip of the LM324, which basically means there's 4 LM324 chips in here, op amps. The first op amp of the 4 that we use is made for virtual ground, and a virtual ground is a node of circuit that is maintained at a steady reference potential without being connected directly to the reference potential. And the way we construct it is with a voltage divider, and the midpoint of the 2 resistors on each end is the virtual ground. So for our experiment we used 2 100k ohm resistors, and then the virtual ground is the voltage input for some of the circuits that we're gonna explain right now. The second op amp is the high gain amplifier. The output is decoupled through a series of capacitor to place it near the virtual ground, and is amplified with the 1.8 mega ohm negative feedback resistor. Changing the value changes the initial gain. The third op amp we use is an active low pass filter, and with that we can tune the unnecessary frequency made by the second op amp, which is enhancing the amplifier. So it's up to 60 Hertz. So with the variance resistor, by adjusting the knob right here, we can fine tune the output display and make it less fuzzy. The last op amp is basically the same as the second one. It's just going through another filter and adjusting any necessary amplifying noises. And the output is connected with an aux cable to my laptop, and here we will demonstrate how it will work. So turning on the voltage source. Right here are the 2 wires that we can use to connect to our battery, but since I'm recording on one hand, it's very hard for me to hold the battery together, so I'm using a voltage source, a 12 volt voltage source. And here you can see the LED light is turned on, and basically you just slip your finger through here, and you can see that we can do a recording right here of our heartbeat. So and as you can see, the spikes here is our heartbeat, and right here is where our heart doesn't beat. So just going back, and that's all.